Hey, did you ever wanted the Xtend Driver from Z Achilles? Then you came to the right video. So let's get on to the tutorial. First, you open your your driver, and let me show you the screwdriver that you need. Oh shoot. Wait a second, guys. This one, like this. Yeah, it's like some kind of straight screwdriver. Sorry guys, but I can't really focus it. But I'll just show you what the screw looks like. So it's like this, like it has a cross. Sorry guys if you can't see. But yeah, it's pretty much has a cross. So yeah, let's open it now. Okay, let me try to show you what it looks like again. It's pretty much like this, like a cross thing. There guys, I got my video kind of like cut since I didn't have any storage, so I deleted some of the videos. And so yeah, so you pretty much open it and you took this piece out. So pretty much mine is already broken, but I mean like it's supposed to be broken. So I got cut by my phone. I mean the video, since I didn't have any storage in my phone anymore. So I pretty much deleted some of my videos. So yeah. So you pretty much open it and you're gonna see it like this, but mine doesn't pretty much have the line anymore since it's broken. So what's the thing that you're really gonna do when you open this? You're gonna break this part. So I'm gonna compare this to a part that's not broken yet. So here it is. It's not broken yet. This one still has lines, but this one doesn't have any lines anymore, so it's pretty much broken. But that's your main objective when you open this driver. So yeah, when you're done breaking it, so maybe you can use it with flies or something. So now put it together if you're done. Okay, I'll be back with a moment, guys. I'm gonna put my so I'm back. The driver's fixed up already. So now what you're gonna do is get yourself a knuckle disc, since it has really good space here and needs space so it could use it. I don't know if it works at other disc. So yeah. So when you put it back here, what you're gonna do to make it tall is to push it up and switch it to the right side. So like that, and it's gonna be taller. Take a look at this. Oh wait, there's no light, so I'm just gonna show you a video later. Clip. So in 3, 2, 1, back now. Here it is. So I'm gonna compare it to normal size. This is normal, and this is when you switch it to the tall mode. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Beyblade mods. Thanks for watching. Bye.